We need you.
The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know I can teach you how to hit the skies, rise above them without getting high. But if it helps,
Yo, what is up, guys? Perf Islo here. I'm also a leader of Perfect Uprising with Zink and Maw. Zink's main leader, I'm just a leader, and so is Maw. We're just like, you know, leaders. We're helping out and all that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the intro that I did. It actually has a purpose for the topic of this video. I said I need you. So, and guys, we really do need you. We need more members, we need more editors, we need more GFX, we need more everything, just so we can be a perfect clan, because that's what we're known as. Our name is Perfect Uprising. Like, we need to be the perfect clan, and we are the perfect clan as of right now for you guys to join. So yeah, guys, just leave down your Skype information, not information, what I'm talking about, your Skype name and stuff like that, and we'll contact you real quick, like 02100, real quick. I'm also, yeah, but anyway, guys, just comment down below your information, like your name for Skype, your kick, your everything. We'll find a way to contact you, as long as you like tell us how to contact you in the comment section of this video. Guys, we really want you in this clan. It's just an all good. You won't be it will not be a disappointment if you join this clan. It's just awesome. Team chat's all good. It's all vibes, all good vibes and stuff like that. And the leaders, he's really good. We're not mean. We're not mean people, as you can tell. We're not strict. But when it comes to like making videos and stuff like that, like we would like you to like make videos and stuff like that, and like shout out the clan a little bit to help us and you out, because it's just, you know, what would a clan be if we don't do anything? I mean, we're not gonna slack off. We're not that kind of clan. We're all just a group of friends trying to make it big in the community. That's all we're trying to do. We're trying to get big. We're trying to get known. That's everybody's dream as of right now. I mean, it's of course my dream. My channel is this, so I got 140 some subscribers. That's a little shout out to me. Ha ha. Wink wink. So anyway, guys, that's all I really need to talk about. This is my gameplay, by the way. And guys, to be honest, guys, if you want to see more of these kind of intros, I leave my channel down in the description. I'll also leave everybody's channel down in the description, because if you guys want to check out the members and see if they're good, and see if you would like to be able to cooperate with these members and collaborate and all that, and like talk to them, go check them out, because their channel will be down in the description. Also leave a sub from there. To be honest, they're all really good members, all really good channels. We got good editors, good GFX, good, like, honestly, dude, we're perfect. We're honestly perfect. That's our name, Perfect Uprising. Who wouldn't want to subscribe to us? Jeez, I'm stuttering like FaZe-Adapt. Sorry, FaZe-Adapt. Roasted on blast. Sorry. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we need you. Peace.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Lead a fan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Away from all of reality. They say Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Ever since that day.
you ain't never gotta be alone. I found company inside a song. Take